Welcome. In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 7th generation, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your screen lock pattern. First of all, try to enter the screen lock pattern that worked for you the last time, and if this doesn't work you in the normal mode, then we should try to use the safe mode instead, in order to ensure that no third-party applications are affecting your screen unlocking process, and also to make sure that your phone isn't lagging. So to do that, hold down the volume up key and the power button shortly, then hold down the power off options until you see a window like this. Click OK and wait until your phone restarts. When your phone is restarted, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, and let's try to enter the password again. And if it worked for you, then go to settings, select security, then select screen lock, confirm, and select none. And then shortly press volume up key and power button and select restart, and wait until your phone is rebooted. And then you'll be able to use your device once again. Now, if this didn't help you and you weren't able to access your device in the safe mode, then the other best solution for you, the other thing that I suggest that you can do is contact SONY customer support service, and in case you can provide them with proof of an ownership of this device, they will most likely be able to help you regain access to your device without the need of removing any data from your phone storage. Now, if this option is unavailable for you too, then you can perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this both remotely and locally. To do this remotely, you have to have the Google account connected to your device, and also the Find Hub feature enabled. So if you didn't disable it manually, it should be enabled on your device. And in such case, you'll have to enter the Find Hub website using any browser on any of your devices, then log in to the Find Hub service using your email that is connected to this device. Then select this device on the list and select factory reset. After the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to access your device once again and set it up from the start. Now, if you can't use this option either, then you can perform a factory reset operation locally, and to do that you simply have to access the recovery mode and erase all data from your phone. Now, if you don't know how to access recovery mode, or if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation on the smartphone step by step. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. And for this video, that will be all. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.